Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. This is the second chapter of your book Vistas, The Tiger King, written by Kalki. It has prepared by L. Das. So, here are some points to remember. It is a story with a moral lesson. It narrates the story of the Maharaja of Pratibandhanapuram in an ironical and satirical style. Pride comes before a fall, and death is the greatest equalizer. Men should learn to respect life and take care of all the creatures of the earth. Through these points, the writer wants to say that we should respect the life and we have to be very careful about our downfall and the up. And it is the fact that death comes to all. We should believe this fact. Man should learn the respect of life. So, these are some points to remember. Through this point, the whole story depends. So, here we comes to the title of the story. Maharaja's entire life revolved around the tiger hunting and tiger killing. महाराजा की जो पूरी लाइफ है स्टोरी के थ्रू वो पूरी की पूरी टाइगर की हंटिंग और टाइगर किलिंग पर डिपेंड करती है. ही वो टू अटेंड द मैटर्स ऑफ द स्टेट ओनली आफ्टर किलिंग 100 टाइगर्स. उसको केवल एक ये वहम था एक अंदर से, ये जो उसके लिए प्रेडिक्शन हुई थी कि उसको 100 टाइगर्स को मारना ही मारना है, otherwise he will be killed by a tiger. Married the lady whose state had a largest tiger population. अब जब वो अपनी स्टेट के सारे टाइगर्स को मार चुका होता है, then he decided to marry with a girl. और ऐसी प्रिंसेस से शादी करने का सोचता है जिसकी एक बड़ी स्टेट हो, जहाँ पर वो उसकी स्टेट के भी सभी टाइगर्स को मार सके. Hunted the 100 tiger with a great difficulty but did not actually kill it himself. One by one he has killed lots of tigers. 99 tigers he had killed. 99 टाइगर्स को वो किंग जो था एक एक करके मार चुका था. बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज दैट कि एक टाइगर जो 100वां टाइगर था, जो 100 टाइगर था, उसकी वोट के अकॉर्डिंग उसको उसने मार तो दिया था लेकिन वो मरा नहीं था. एक्चुअली में वो केवल बेहोश हुआ था. सो टाइटल कंटेंट इज bought a wooden tiger for his son carved by an unskilled carpenter. Maharajas injured his hand. अब जब उसने मैरिज की, he was blessed with a baby boy and his birthday was about to come. The king had decided that he will give a special gift to his son. So he ordered to a wooden toy. He ordered to a carpenter to make a special toy for his son. But when the Maharaja saw the tiger toy, he became very happy and pleased with him. But all of a sudden, his hand was injured. By touching of that wooden tiger, a small piece of wood came into his hand. The full hand was infected. The infection flared up and caused his death despite the best surgeon. अब वो इन्फेक्शन इतना ज़्यादा फैल गया था कि उसके हाथ को रिमूव करना पड़ा. न केवल हाथ को रिमूव करना पड़ा बल्कि कुछ ही समय के अंदर अंदर वो इन्फेक्शन उसकी पूरी बॉडी में फैल गया and that wooden tiger will be the cause of his death. The arrogance and power of man is so small compared to destiny and nature. So we can say कि किसी भी इंसान के अंदर अगर एरोगेंस है और अपनी डेस्टिनी के और नेचर के लिए अगर उसके अंदर कंपैरिजन है, देन ही विल नॉट बी पास थ्रू हिज लाइफ। इंटरप्रिटेशंस क्या हैं इस स्टोरी की? स्टोरी इज अ फैबल विद अ मॉरल। It makes an appeal for the protection of the tiger and for all flora and fauna. Man has revenged nature for his own selfish purpose. However, nature has a way of taking revenge. The author believes in the dictum life and let life. Killing for pleasure is a grave sin. The Tiger King is a warning to man to stop ruthlessness, exploitation of nature, which has caused the extinction of innumerable wildlife species. टाइगर किंग एक के थ्रू, इस स्टोरी के थ्रू, द राइटर वॉन्ट्स टू warn the common man, common people, not to kill the wild animal. And tiger is the national animal, so we should not kill the tiger. The story is more about the crime of thoughtless killing of tiger and its punishment rather than the power of destiny. We should not, the writer wants to tell that we should not be play with the nature because the power of nature is so strong. अगर नेचर अपनी पावर दिखाती है तो इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट टू फेस इट। नाउ कैरेक्टर ऑफ द टाइगर किंग। अब इस टाइगर किंग स्टोरी में कितने कैरेक्टर्स हैं? नॉट मोर देन 2 and 3. 2 and 3 कैरेक्टर्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स, बट द heroic character is only the king. Comical and electric character who behaves like an autocrat. His subject, including the senior officers, tremble with the fear in front of him. Moody and whimsical, he behaves in an irrational way thought out. He resorts to bribery of the British officer's wife to save his kingdom. So the character of the Tiger King is so important, but some of his soldiers, some of his courtmen who stands in front of him, the king was very moody and whimsical. बहुत मोडी था, बहुत सनकी था, किसी भी समय कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार रहता था. His behave actually was not good. It was too irritative behavior. So most of his countrymen didn't like his character. He only wants to make happy only the British officer's wife. He could save her life as well as his kingdom. So here the story is going to be end. So the conclusion is that, as well as the moral of the story is that we should not play with the nature. If we play with nature, nature will play the important role in our life. So I hope ये chapter आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा, and I will give you some more important questions. You have to note it down. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.